Meanwhile, a senior researcher of the Human Rights Watch in Nigeria, Mausi Shegun, is asking for quick intervention on the part of the government to address this trauma experienced by female internally displaced persons. The HRW official spoke in an interview with Channels Television explains that since the report of alleged sexual abuse of internally displaced persons was made public, nothing has been done.
It goes beyond just criminal investigations. Those women, those girls need immediate medical and mental health, psychosocial support right now where they are. Many of them are traumatized. As a matter of fact, even those of us who spent time talking with many of them came out really traumatized ourselves. We definitely cannot say that it is happening in all the IDP camps in Nigeria. But what we do know is that in many of the camps in Maiduguri, there are 13 formal camps in Maiduguri. And I also must point out the fact that other institutions, including the UN, had released reports, assessments reports earlier in the year as far back as April and May, alluding to the fact that these abuses were occurring and asking the government to act immediately. Obviously, nothing had changed by the time that we got in July. So we definitely know that it is happening in Maiduguri, where most of the people displaced by the Boko Haram conflict are resident. Whether they are occurring in other camps outside of Maiduguri or outside of Borno State, we do not know.